everyone, and welcome to another Create with Kiely art tutorial video. In this video, we will be building upon the activity that preceded this one, where we experimented with watercolor artistic techniques using sponges, splatter, plastic application, wax resist, hand sanitizer, and salt. And we're going to choose the ones that we felt most confident with. We're going to choose 3 artistic techniques from this activity, and then we're going to combine them together onto a piece of watercolor paper. And if you don't have watercolor paper available, you can just do this in your sketchbook. So let's prepare the watercolor paper like we did before, and we're going to create one white border, okay? So we're gonna work with 3 different artistic techniques all on one page. Now remember, don't put that tape on your page without de-sticking it a little bit. And I'm gonna line up the edge of the tape with the edge of the paper so that the border is the same width all the way across and around the perimeter of the paper. And sometimes your watercolor paper is going to curl up on you, and to prevent that, you can add a little bit more tape. Whoop, to secure it to your table, and so it won't curl. There you go. So I've got a nice border around my watercolor paper. You get to choose what 3 artistic techniques you want to do. This is a free choice. Whatever ones you felt were most successful in the last activity, and you're going to combine them together. Now, before you do that, before you jump in, you have to be aware of what's going to work well as the first layer, and what's going to work well as the second layer, and what's going to work well as the third layer on top of everything else, because some things need to happen before others. If you choose the wax resist artistic technique, that would have to go on first in order to keep the white. If you're going to use the salt, you can't put the salt down and then try to paint over top of that. It'll move it around, it might mess things up, it won't be the way you want it. So before you begin, you have to be thoughtful and plan ahead of how you're going to do this. So this is what I'm going to do. All right, so I've laid down some random lines with the wax resist, and it is hard to see what these things are going to look like because it is see-through for the time being. There you have it, an abstract watercolor painting with 3 different artistic techniques using different types of media. If you like this video and you want to say thanks, please click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And remember, my friends, stay awesome and be creative. Until next time.